In this very short video, I will show you how to double check that you've installed your Facebook pixel correctly. You will need the Chrome browser. So if you don't have the Chrome browser installed on your computer, just visit the URL here and download Chrome. And don't worry, Google Chrome works no matter if you've got a Mac or a PC. So just to show you here, for me, I have this little extension that tells me that my pixel is indeed working as it should. So let me show you how to install that extension so that you too can check if your Facebook pixel is working as it should. So just in case the instructions ever change, I just want to show you how I found that information. I Googled Chrome, how to manage extensions, and then it tells me how to do that. So in the top right here, you will see 3 dots. Click on that, click on More Tools, and then Extensions. So I have several extensions installed. I'm just going to remove this one here and then reinstall it. To add new extensions, just click on the hamburger menu on the left, and then way at the very bottom, it will say Open Chrome Web Store. Click on that. It opens a new tab, and this is where you're going to search for the extension. If you look for Facebook Pixel, Pixel Helper comes in right here. So I'm just going to click Add to Chrome. There's a pop-up. It's telling me it's going to read and change all the data on the website. Okay, I'm going to add the extension. And it said it's been added. So now if I go back to my website, if I refresh it, now you see this icon here and it tells me that one pixel was found and this is my pixel ID. You just need to double check that this is indeed your pixel number and then you're good to go. If for some reason you don't see this, you successfully installed the extension, but your pixel is not showing as successfully installed, just review the other video in which I show you how to integrate the Facebook pixel with your site and double check that you've followed all the steps.